on your mat. Stop shuffling. I'm going to grab one, and it's now in your screen. What color is it? I will say that because it's not bright in this room, it can look close to another color. So either color that you say, I will accept. That's correct, Claudia. It does kind of look like two colors, and I will accept either one. Just totally let go and go empty. Correct, Artie? Neil? That's correct, Neil. Bob, what have you got? That's correct. Well done. And Martha, what do you feel? Until you're seeing the room Mindsight opens, what do you feel? Yes, that's correct. Whenever you get a chance, take slow, deep breaths. That helps to keep you in your right brain. I'm shuffling the letters of the alphabet. Can you see me, Claudia?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Neil, will I take the bottom one, the top one, or a random one in the middle?
The bottom one.
The bottom one is going in your screen right now. I'm zooming in, I'm zooming out, I'm going around in a big circle around my face. Okay, Claudia, move it at an angle because the light reflects so strong, I can't see it. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Neil and Bob, scan as if you have a beam of attention or intention that has to pass over the letter for you to see it. Correct, Martha, well done. And just scan as if you're flatbed scan. That's correct, Artie. That's correct, Neil. How did you see that?
It just came across like that shape came across.
The Q for Quebec. Well done, everybody. Now, on this one, I'm going to put 3 dice on your screen vertically. Now, here's the interesting thing. All 3 have a separate number. They're not the same number. And tell me the color of any one of them, 2 of them or 3 of them. If you want, you can tell me the up or down order. And if you want, you can tell me any one of the 3 numbers that are on them. That's correct, Claudia. Well done. There is that color. Try again on the number, Bob. Yes. Correct for the colors, Martha. And now do you know the number or numbers? And Artie, did you get something? Okay, that is correct. Well done on everything. The order, the color, and all the numbers. Well done. Neil, are you picking up anything? So, Neil, that is one of the numbers, and that is the 3 colors. Martha, you have the top number is correct. The bottom number is correct. The middle one's off by 1. Bob, yes, that's the color. Bottom number is correct. It is red 4 on the top, blue 6 in the middle, and yellow 3. Well done, everybody, on what they did. Claudia, the addition card. There's a number at the top, a number underneath, and then what are those 2 numbers, and what is the addition?
8 plus 6, 14.
Yes. Artie, do you see the numbers?
Yes, 8 plus 7, 15.
Okay. Claudia?
1 plus 8 is 9.
Okay. Artie, what do you see?
1 plus 7, 8.
Okay, very good. I'm going to now go to Bob.
How about that?
The bottom number is correct, and the 2 add up to the top number. Isn't that interesting? Artie, what do you see in the screen?
2 plus 5, 7.
Okay, Claudia?
6 plus 4 is 10.
Okay, Bob, do you pick up any one of these numbers from 1 to 10?
7.
Okay. You know what? It's a 10 and a 3, but 10 minus 3 is 7. The Mindsight does those kind of things. Got that yellow arrow. It's the hour of the clock. It's pointing in one of the 12 hours from 1 to 12. That's correct, Claudia. That's correct. Artie, that's correct. Martha, Bob, I'm going to have you say what the game is.
Choose 1 color card and 1 picture that has the same color. I would like for us to tell what the color is and then the picture.
We're both in the screen. I put it at an angle, Claudia, because it's so hard. Yeah, that's correct. Well done. Okay, Artie got it. Okay, that is the color. Try again on the picture of what it is. Is the color, Bob. Very good. Very good. Yes, that's the color, Martha. Very good.
No.
Yes, Bob. That's it. Well done. Go empty, you guys. No thinking. Remember, thinking is left brain. Sensing is right brain. And allowing is right brain, where you just allow your right brain to give it to you. This is going to be a real hard one. I've got two colors vertically in the screen. There's a little trick here, but don't let your left brain try to figure out the little trick. Lift it higher, Neil. The bottom one is correct for the top color, and Claudia got it correct. Well done, Claudia. The top one is correct, Martha. Well done. And Bob, the top one is the bottom color. That's well done. And Artie, you got both of them correct and the order. Okay, the top color is correct, Martha, and it's in the correct order. The bottom color is correct, and that's the right order, Rob. Neil, move it away from the screen towards you. Top color is correct, and that's the one on top also. Red on the top and pink on the bottom. Very good, Martha. Just as I was saying it, you put it up in the screen. Now, the little trick is that the colors are almost the same, and it can be difficult for the Mindsight. I've got picture cards, and Artie, which picture is this? Say the picture. Yep, it is celery. Claudia, what is this?
A quarter.
Yep, it's like a silver quarter. And Artie, what is this?
It's number 5.
Yes, it is. Claudia, what is this?
Canadian flag.
Canadian
Canada.
flag, yep. Martha, do you see any color in your screen?
I think something orange.
Yes, it is orange.
Yes.
Well done. You did see the orange. Very good. Martha, do you see any color or any letter on this card? There's this one here.
A B.
Yes, it is. It's V for vision. Very good. Very good. Neil, it's your choice, player's choice. Tell me what the game is going to be.
You create a 4-letter word and put them on the screen, real word, and we have to see it.
My entire screen was in the screen saver.
Oh, it froze.
That's what I couldn't see. I think.
Well, you did pretty good. You were doing good intuitively, Martha.
Yeah.
Wow. Well done. Let's give Martha a hand, you guys. Even though her screen was on screensaver, she was doing really well. I have a 4-letter word that's going on your screen at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. It is in the dictionary. It is a 4-letter word. All 4 letters are different. I will tell you there's 1 vowel and 3 consonants. Not necessarily in that order. Yes, Claudia got it correct. Just scan, and at some point you'll pick up 1 or more of the letters, Bob, and you'll. Yes, Artie, well done. Bob, the second letter is correct. It's not in that spot, but it is a correct letter that's in this word. Okay, Neil, yes, the 4th letter is correct, and it's in the opposite side of the word. And Martha, try again. Go empty, let go. Let go of everything you did in your job today. Home now. You don't need to think about that. Let go entirely. Okay? Neil, try again. Bob, try again. Yes, well done, Martha. Give yourself a pat on the back. Very good. Yeah. Neil and Bob. Any more letters coming? Just let go, Neil. Go completely empty. You know what? I'm going to give that to you. That is almost correct. So I'm going to give it to you, and you'll know why after. You got 3 of the 4 letters. Close enough, Neil. And did you see it intuitively? How did it come to you?
Intuitively.
Bob, totally let go. Go empty. Let go of that intellectual mind of yours, that very strong intellectual mind. It's not helpful in this thing that we do. The second letter is correct. The third letter is close. I'll tell you what the word is. It's grip. G-R-I-P. Neil had G-R-I-T. And a T in your fuzzy mindset can look like a P. Well done, everybody. Claudia, you picked the game.
Let's do 2 letters.
Putting the 2 letters in the screen. What are the 2 letters? Yes, that's correct, Claudia. Well done. Bob, you're getting derivatives of these letters. Try again. Yes, Martha, very good. Yes, Artie, very good. Neil, look through a dot or dots that you might be seeing. Bob, do the same thing. Just go empty entirely. You're getting the same derivative as Rob there, Neil. And the second letter is correct, Bob. Well done. What is the first letter? So visualize that second letter. Look to the left of it. What is it? You've got the second letter correct, Bob. One more try. You've got the second letter on the right there, and the other letter is off by 1 Neil. Getting closer, Bob. I'll tell you that it is the word two, T, O. And even the L that you have is related to a T. Martha, your turn. What is the game?
Let's do a remote viewing and put a color in front of us, a color card, and behind this color, an image.
There is a color in your screen, you guys, and there is a picture card facing me. I see it. It's one of three: brown ant, the green tree, or the yellow plant, and it's facing me. So it's one of those three. I'm looking at it. So this is a remote viewing. It's also telepathy. It's a combination of those two. Any way you want, just let go and let your right brain decide how it wants to get this picture. When you yawn, Claudia, you should see the actual picture. Okay, the color is correct. And try again on the bottom. Now, Martha, hold yours up. And what was yours again? Okay, the color is correct. Try again on the object. And Claudia, that's correct for the object. Artie, that's correct for the color and the object. Well done. Neil, well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. You got the color and you got the card. Pat on the back. Very good. One more try. Okay, I'll give you the color. I will say it's pink, and you said red. Close enough. And it is a tree. So well done. Amazing a color into your screen. And again, the lighting is not great. It's apart. You're close. What color is in your screen? Already got it correct. Martha got it correct. Well done. I'm waving it around to create motion. Well done, Claudia. Yes, very good, Bob. Did you hear a voice? Did you sense it? Did you see it? What did you do?
I saw the color, then I got goosebumps at the same time.
You could say it's green or yellow because it looks like both in the screen. Okay, Artie, what game would you like us to play? Your choice.
Let's do number card. Pick three and somebody else pick one and guess the number.
One of them is 1 plus 1. The other is 7 plus 3. The other is 8 plus 1. I'm going to shuffle them up, and I'm going to take one of the three cards and tell me either the top number, the bottom number, or both if you're seeing the room, and tell me the addition if you're seeing the room. Excellent, Bob. That is the top number, bottom number, and the addition. How did it come to you?
First, I heard and saw the difference between the top number and the number that's being added. So then when you said what the numbers are, what the cards were, I figured that the number that came to me had to do with the top number, the first number and the second number. The difference is that. So that's the first number that came to me.
Well, it worked, and you got it. Well done, Bob. And Marty, that's it. Well done. And Claudia, well done. And Martha, well done. That leaves us with Neil. Go entirely empty. That is the addition. Very good, Neil. So I'll tell you, it is 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Well done, Neil. I want you to tell me what to do with these picture cards. Tell me what the game will be.
So you can see it, right? But we'll have to see it, but we're going to do it without our masks on.
In other words, take your mask off.
Yeah, masks are off. Oh, wow, look at this. I was wondering. Let me send you guys a picture of what the heck I'm seeing. All my monitors are off. I was wondering, why am I having such a hard time? Look, what? I'm going to send you guys a video of this. And my screen never locks. That's so weird.
Look at
It
that.
was the same as me.
So, Neil, you were totally using your intuition.
I think Martha's locking screensaver was infectious.
Yeah.
What is the game going to be?
All right, the game is you're going to pick one of those A to Z cards. You're going to look at it. We're not going to look at it. And we're going to try to read your mind.
So is it going to be a picture card like one of these?
Yeah.
Okay, I have it, intentionally picked it. It has a color. There is the big letter at the top and the small letter at the top, and at the bottom is the word, and the picture is on the face of the card. There's a color and a shape. I'm looking at it. You can have your mask on, your mask off. You can close your eyes. Just let go and go empty, which means no thinking, but just sense. Neil says, pink butterfly. Martha, just hold that for 1 minute. You're very close. I think you might be the closest one. Hold it down a bit, Claudia. Okay, both of you are tied for being close. Martha said red and purple. It's a red sock.
I said red flag.
So Martha and Claudia were very close. Well done. And we've got time for one more.
Let's do it one more time.
Okay. I'm going to pick one of those picture cards. I'm touching it. I'm visualizing. I'm actually pretending to touch the real object and what it would feel like. The texture. I'm seeing the letter. I'm seeing the word. If you're close, I'll just say to hold that thought. Okay, hold that thought, Martha. Let's see who gets the closest. You can come by remote viewing. You can tap into my thoughts. Claudia, hold that. Bob, hold that. Artie, hold that. Everybody's very close here. Okay, everybody hold up and I'll tell you what it is. Actually, take your masks off and you guys can look.
Hey!
Put your stuff up for everybody to see. Claudia said green tree. Martha says green celery. Claudia said green tree, and Elise is off of a green tree. And
Wow.
said green plant, flower, celery, leaves. He said leaves, said green, so well done also. And Artie
good
said
way.
for green.
I just saw the color.
So well done.